How to port your existing number to Google Voice. First of all, click the link provided in the description below, which will take you to the official Google Voice porting page. On that page, you will find a few different options, but we are focusing on the first one, porting a personal number. To check if your number is eligible, enter it into the field and hit the checkbox. If your number can be ported, you will see a confirmation right away. Porting your number to Google Voice costs a one-time fee of $20. Be aware that you might not receive calls during the transfer process and you could temporarily use text messaging for up to 3 business days. If you already have a Google Voice number, it will be replaced with your ported number. If you want to keep your current Google Voice number as well, you can pay another $20 to retain it. Once you are ready, check the box to confirm you understand the terms, then go through the phone verification step. Google will call your number and prompt you to enter a short code to confirm ownership. After that, you will be taken to the account information page. Here you will need to enter your current carrier details like account number, name, billing address, and any account PIN, so Google can request a transfer from your provider. Finally, you will be asked to make the $20 payment to complete the porting request. Once submitted, the process usually takes about 24 hours to finish. Now you know how to port your existing number to Google Voice. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.